Miraculous gardening. The best size pot for your plant. Miracle tip number 1. Begin with great soil. Fill any size pot with premium potting mix for the best start. Miracle tip number 2. Pick the right size. Plant strawberries, lettuce, turnips, and small herbs in 10-inch pots. Use a 14-inch pot for cabbage, carrots, peas, spinach, or larger herbs like rosemary or lavender. For pole beans, dwarf citrus trees, or annual flowers, go with a 16-inch pot. 18 inches is perfect for potting broccoli, eggplant, peppers, or determinate tomatoes. Think big, like 24 inches big for indeterminate tomatoes, fig trees, cucumbers, summer squash, or roses. And finally, use a 30-inch container for apple trees, sweet corn, or pumpkins. Miracle tip number 3. Let it drain. Make sure the pot has drainage holes. Plants don't like having wet feet. Learn more about miraculous gardening at miraclegrow.com.